Hey guys, welcome back again to Tech Tutorials. My name is Ghost, and we are doing another recording. And for this time, it'll be a ENUS FTW crowd website. If you all remember the crowd entity hit, it's very similar to this. So, let me go ahead and pull up the guidelines, and I hope my internet works fine today, so we won't have to stop on recording this video. Anyways, yeah, it's loading, fortunately, but this one should be easy. This is going to be the business address, and this is going to be the website. So we just have to match the business name to the business website. As you can see, it's not really that hard to work on. So I don't want to go through the guidelines. If you've gone through crowd entity, you should be able to work on this hit without any problems. So let's go ahead and search for the current business details. It'll be a Virginia Reiss Associates. So let's search for it and let's go to Bing. Click on Bing. So this is the business name, 980 Magnolia Avenue, but the website does not have, I mean, the business does not have an address, but they do have a Facebook group. So let's pull up information about social sites, verify the option, current business details, search for allowed crowd to search for business entity, site URL. I verify the value should be empty and able to verify. Choose this option if there's no official primary website found for the business. It doesn't talk about social sites like Facebook. Um, so for this one, they have this. They don't have their own website, but they do have a Facebook profile. And this is not official. So, so for this one, it'll be, let's check the website listed here. Susan Miller. So it's totally different. So for this one, I verified value should be empty. Yep, we got it correct. So you see, it is very similar to the crowd entity that we have uploaded before. So next business detail will be O-Day Appraisal Service. Address will be 411 Bloom Lane, Suite A, Novato, California. The zip is 94947. So let's search for the address line, state, and postal. Let me close this out. We're done with that. So they do have a website, and let's pull this up and see if it matches the address here. So 411 Bloom Lane Suite. Yeah, this is their correct website, but we need to correct this one because this one displays the contact details. If you copy the URL, that will be invalid, so you have to click on home. And from home, uh, that's it. You copy the URL. Let me go ahead and pull this up here. Yeah, just like so. Copy the URL. And remember, for the HTTPS site, you have to test both sites, the secured and non-secure site, if they are working. So if you see something like HTTP, you have to change it to HTTPS and click on enter. If it displays the site with an error like a privacy error, you have to revert back to HTTP and just copy or stick to that particular web address. Again, without the HTTPS. But a priority, if you can provide the secure address, then you know that'll be great. I mean, the hit itself will not mark it down. So let's go ahead and copy this. So this one is an HTTP site that is going to be invalid. It does work, and it routes you to an HTTPS website. So we need to change it. So we need to click on values above are missing or wrong and paste the website with the HTTPS and click on test. And it took us to the correct website with the correct business details as 411 Bloom Lane Suite A, Novato, California. Here it is. All right, so close that out, go back to the hit and click on submit, see how it goes. So that is correct. So moving on to the third hit, um, the name of the business details again is Hop Sing's Kitchen. Address will be 56 or rather 5868 Pacheco Boulevard, Pacheco, California. Zip code is 94554. So search for the address. So address is 5868. That seems to be correct. And let's see the Bing results if they have a website. Unfortunately, it's Yelp and Yellow Pages or TripAdvisor. Let's check on the website listed here. Hopsings. Okay, huge domain. This is an invalid site. So what you have to choose here is I verified value should be empty. Click submit and this should be correct. Moving on to the fourth hit app. Business detail will be the Aesthetic Center, 3150 18th Street, San Francisco, California. The zip again is 94110. So let's search for the address, city, state, postal. Let me just close this out for you all. Let me go back here. So the name of the business is the Aesthetic Center. The Aesthetic Center. Yeah, this is right. 3150 18th Street. Okay, but they do not have a website showing on the search results, but we have one here listed. Let's see and pull that up. Uh, this is totally a different business. Let's go to contact. See, the address is different. So for this one, I verified value should be empty. But let me go back here and see this website here. I found one, and let's see the contact information. It's totally different. This one is in Hawthorne Boulevard. That's a different business. So again, the pages or the results pulling up or that we pulled up earlier, majority of them were from MapQuest, Yellow Pages. Those are not official sites, guys. So we go back to the hit and we tag it I verified value should be empty and click submit. All right. So moving on to the last hit app. Uh, Let me just tell you this is the qualification mode. Let me drag this down. I I have no plans of passing it because I'm quite busy with the jobs. I already have a lot of hits I'm working on, and I'm satisfied with the income I am generating from those hits. So moving on, let's move on. Let's click on this one. The fourth hit is Michael J. Campbell, PhD. That's the business details. We go to the address line. We go to Bing and see if there is a website for this particular person. It's a person. Clearly, if it's a person, it's not a business, right? It's not a business entity. So um, I verified value should be empty. This is going to be our fourth hit and the last. Um, This is just again an overview or a preview on how to work on this particular hit. Again, this is very similar to ENUS, I mean to the crowd entity hit. The name of this hit is ENUS FTW crowd website. I hope the video helps you out. And again, my name is Ghost. We have a Facebook group. It is ClickWorker Philippines. You have to subscribe to our tutorial channel first and answer the relevant questions in the Facebook group before we can welcome you there. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye for now.